So here we go. The lineup for semi-final 2. And the athletes are in lane 2, Crystal Slowly, Jodine Williams in 3, Tia Clayton listed for 4, Elaine Thompson-Herah listed for 5, Alana Reid should be in 6, Serena Cole listed for 7, and Shanoya Oliver will be running from lane 8. Those are the athletes listed for semi-final 2. Let's see if they've all reported. But certainly, we hope there's no drama in this one.
No more drama.
I think if there is no drama, we're going to miss it a little bit.
Tell that to the athletes when they're ready to go. They simply just want to get out onto the track and just get it out of the way, especially from the mental aspect of things. This is Elaine Thompson-Herah, who has shown good form this season, anchored Jamaica to gold at the World Relays in Botswana. The two-time double sprint champion at the Olympics. Jodine Williams, always colorful, and one of the 11 Jamaican women who've gone sub-11 already this season.
All right, now it appears that with Tia Clayton not there, that this could have been the confusion. So Tina thought she was in lane 4 as she was earlier. But as we look at Crystal Slowly, 679, she is also a sub-11 girl. Not this year, but she has done 1099 already as her personal best.
Presenting UTEC. This is Jodine Williams of Sprint Tech.
Newest kid on the block as well for the sub-11 group, 1097 this year. She did that in Texas running with Sabrina Dockery. Trains at Sprint Tech as well.
Up next is the two-time Olympic double sprint champion Elaine Thompson-Herah, who is showing a return to form, and she'll be running from lane 5, representing Elite Performance.
Proving a lot of people wrong this year. 1092, her best this season.
And the crowd goes wild for the two-time double Olympic sprint champion Elaine Thompson-Herah, and she's just soaking up all this adulation.
Also the reigning Commonwealth champion.
Yes, indeed. This is Alana Reid. She will be running from lane 6.
Our national junior record holder, 1092 at her best.
The reigning world under 20 champion as well. Serena Cole, former Edwin Allen High standout, will be running from lane 7, representing Swept Track Club.
Trains with a Peel Stewart.
And in lane 8, this is Shanoya Oliver.
Has not yet broken 12 seconds, so she is really up against it in this semi-final. Lots to discover here.
On your marks.
Jodine Williams, I think the form runner.
Yep. Center their blocks for semi-final 2 of the women's 100 meters. So it's Slowly in 2, Williams in 3, Thompson-Herah in 5, Reid in 6, Cole in 7, and in lane 8 is Oliver. On screen there, the irrepressible Elaine Thompson-Herah. A return to form for her so far this season. Set position. Sent off a clean break. Reid gets out quickly. So too does Jodine Williams. Stepping forward now is Thompson-Herah, but Jodine Williams has the measure of the field here. Williams gets it ahead of Thompson-Herah. And Reid came through as well for third.
Wow, they're showing it as Alana Reid on the line. We're going to have to see this one again and again.
Yeah, for sure, because
and again.
Jodine Williams was out there.
That's a huge season's best for Alana.
Yeah, Jodine Williams second. So those are the two going through automatically. Alana Reid. Oh no, are they going to change it?
Yeah. Jodine Williams looks as if she really got the win there.
Oh no, and they have now switched it to Thompson-Herah second, and they're putting Jodine Williams all the way at third.
Wow.
So here's the start. At this point, Jodine Williams in lane number 3 looks best of all. Elaine Thompson-Herah has not yet gotten into her stride, but here she comes. Jodine Williams leading. Alana Reid getting a season's best. And woo! So, yep, Alana Reid, 11.17. Elaine Thompson-Herah, 11.18 for second. And Jodine Williams, 11.19. So, Crystal slowly down at 11.35. A blanket finish. Alana Reid, is that her season's best? I think
that is a season's best for her. Alana Reid and Crystal slowly getting season's best
So here
times
we go.
there.
Reid 11.17, Thompson-Herah 11.18, Williams 11.19, slowly 11.35 is Shania Oliver 12.46, and Cole finishing down the track 13.63.